This is weird. The transition of the water here.
There's another set of binoculars right there you want.
Yeah, in just a sec. I just want to get a video of this transition here. So the water goes from one state to another like that. It really doesn't work very well on camera, this transition here. Yeah.
That's why we're going 2,000 RPM to go fuck this one on. We're hitting the fucking straight on current.
Yeah, must be. My goodness. What is going on? So this is current onto the banks. Must be, right? Yeah, so this is the transition from George's Bank to open water. It is tortured here in the middle of the ocean. Look, check out this water. And then in a second, it's just going to be glassy clear. What the heck? This is crazy. What did we just go through here? That's insane.
Did you get a video?
Yeah.
You've got to share. I mean, please share.
This is so weird. Over there.
The bizarre thing is there's like no change in depth. It went from like 57
What?
meters to 49.
What?
And then 50 meters. Here we go. 49.
But I mean, that's like just a different world over there.
I mean, that's like.
What was that?
Dude, you have got to take photos of that. Look at that. It's that whole fucking region.
Yeah. From horizon to horizon.
I gotta see on the phone where the fuck we are.
Yeah.
I get it's too fucking much. Sorry about that.
Wow. Yeah, and now it's just glassy clear.